Gee guys, I just gave my dog milk. Milk. Of all things, why milk? I thought they liked water. And I just gave him milk. That's crazy. So hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So I will be trying to give out my dog some milk. See how that goes for a change. And now I will get the milk. So, milk. Look at him. Watch this. He's scared of the milk carton. He's scared of the milk carton. So I will put some milk in there. Okay. There you go, Ollie. Go drink some milk. What are you waiting for? Huh? He's waiting there, deal. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it. He's going for it. He's going for it. He's drinking it. And I don't know. He's just drinking it. I think he liked it. So I'm just going to put the milk back in the fridge because I'm not giving him anymore. So, yeah. I think he liked it. I'm not going to lie. I'm pretty sure he likes it. Hey, buddy. Want me to bring your little milk tray over here? I'm going to move it up right here so we can see it better. Oh my gosh. I just gave him freaking milk. My God, I just gave my dog milk. So let's try pouring this in. It's just a little shake. Nothing bad for dogs. Ooh. He likes it! He likes it! Oh, hold on guys. I'll be right back.